Hello everybody, I'm Sonali here. My channel's name is Beauty by Sonali. Today I'm going to show you a very quick DIY which you can do it at home. You need not run to your kitchen to get anything, to get aloe vera or to get any coconut oil, nothing. You can make, I'll be doing a very interesting DIY today that is very, I feel all the girls will love this. Why? Because it's as we know, these super matte lipsticks are little expensive. Sometimes we just tend to get one or two, and sometimes we want all the colors. So what we tend to do is we sometimes give up. Okay, fine, we don't want, we'll get it next time, depending what our budget is. So today I'm going to show you a very quick easy DIY where you can do your own matte lipsticks at home. So all you need is just two ingredients, nothing that you need to break anything or to make anything, nothing. You just need two ingredients, you are done and you're sorted. So all you will need is one eyeshadow palette and Vaseline. I have already done my base, and for base I have applied Fit Me foundation. This video is going to come soon on my YouTube channel. It's very budget friendly and beginner friendly foundation, so everyone can use from normal to oily skin. So please do try and let me know. For any event, for that matter, for college or home event or any parties, you can use this foundation. This video is there on my YouTube channel, so please do watch. Now we are going to make our matte lipsticks at home. So we are going to apply Vaseline. Apply on your lips, and here comes the magic. So you will only need, you have so many eyeshadows, you can create any of your lip shade for that matter. You need not break anything or dig anything, nothing as sort. You just need to apply it on your lips. So we'll start with the first brown color so that we can try that. So you can take your brush and start applying on it. See, can you see the lip color? See, I have made my personal custom lipstick, that too a matte lipstick. If you're not having a brush, you can use your fingers. Also, it is more intense. In fact, you will get a precise, the color will be more deep. So my lipstick is ready, my brown shade, instant super matte. After applying our custom shade lipstick, so now let's try it. This is my finger which I wiped it, so you can see this, it is not transferring. At the same time, you can see here also. So your matte lipsticks at home is very easy. You can make of your choice, any color of your choice according to your dress, just using your lip shade and using your any color in the eyeshadow palette and a Vaseline. So now let's try another color, as it's easy to clean also. See, same process. Again we'll apply our Vaseline. The best part is your lips will be hydrated. At the same time, you will get your matte lipsticks also. So you can make any lipstick of your choice. So please do try and let me know. Make your custom shades and enjoy your matte lipsticks. So now we tried with brown. So now I will try with something with burgundy with maroon shade. We'll create our own. So I'm going with this shade right now. This is a burgundy color. So let's start applying. I feel you can see the difference. I'm mixing two shades. And little bit of shimmer. If you can see, there's a little shimmer, maroon shimmer on it. you can see there's a shine. So I am applying a little shimmery shade here, so to get I like that shimmery shade, so you can make your matte lipstick in shimmer shades also, so nothing to worry. Any of your choice you can do it, and you will get the same finish, that is that matte lipsticks you can achieve by any shades or any eyeshadows for that matter. And you can apply a shimmery shade also, as I have done here. This, the last shade is a shimmery shade, this one a maroon shimmer shade, which you can see here. So apply it generously. See, you can see the shine. And once you're done, if you're satisfied, we can try again. So now let's see our lipstick, is it matte or no. So let's try again. It is a matte lipstick, so you can make your own lipsticks of your choice using just two products, that is Vaseline and eyeshadow palette, which everyone will be having at home. So please do try this and let me know how was this hack or a DIY. Just do it by yourself and do enjoy. Do let me know in the comments below, how was this DIY? Did you like it? Your super matte lipsticks at home instantly you can make by your own. I hope this was helpful. All you need is just a Vaseline and eyeshadow palette, so you can create your own matte lipsticks at home. Any color for that matter you can use, even a shimmer shade. Which please do subscribe, share as much as you can. This is a very easy and quick instant matte lipsticks at home, where everyone can't afford all the lipsticks and all the shades. So I can only tell you it's tried and tested. So please do try. Comment down and let me know how was this. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching, and please do subscribe and share.